Hey now, everybody, it's Aaron, and welcome to this week's Market Minutes. If you are in the market for a new home, track the market to get a sense of value of your current home, or just love looking at houses as much as we do, you know this is the show for you. Let's do this. All right, you guys may have heard inventory continues to be low. There was some press about it this week. I got to tell you, with the amount of stuff that's coming on this weekend, it's pretty in line with what we have been seeing prior to the New Year's break. So I'm hoping that it's just sort of a delayed inventory coming out, and we're going to start to see more things coming up soon. I'm going to kick it off this week in Bethesda. 9416 Holland Court in Maplewood Manor is coming to market at $940,000. You may not be familiar with Maplewood Manor. Most people know this neighborhood by the name Alta Vista. It's just north of Cedar Drive between Old Georgetown and 355. This house sits on a quarter-acre lot on a cul-de-sac, which is rare for the neighborhood, just a block from Maplewood Alta Vista Park, which I absolutely love. We're waiting on more pictures, so I can't give you a full analysis on this one yet, but it looks really good. This is what we call a front to back split. And what that means is the front of the house is a one story, and then you have two stories at the rear of the house. What that does is give you this really fantastic vaulted living room in the front, very mid-century modern, great space. You also get a dining room and kitchen on this level. I'm told the kitchen's been updated, although I have not seen pictures yet. Upstairs, you get 3 bedrooms, including a generously sized primary suite with an ensuite bath. Downstairs, you got a great rec room and another guest room and a half bath, which I'm told could be converted to a full bath. I really like this play. 940, I think, is the right number if all the updates are as promised. There is nothing in this price range on the market in Bethesda this week, so I think it's going to get a ton of attention. I definitely suggest you check it out. All right, sliding over to Kensington to the Parkwood neighborhood. 4603 Woodfield Road is hitting the market tomorrow at $849. This is a classic Parkwood style raised rambler built in the early 50s. This is just around the corner from Kensington Parkwood Elementary, which is fantastic. We are big fans of this model in Parkwood when you're looking in this price range. The main living area is a classic L-shaped layout. Seen this kitchen open up to the main living space a number of times, and it really does become a really nice functional space. You get 3 bedrooms on this level as well, including a primary with an ensuite bath, small but functional, and the other 2 bedrooms are a decent size. Downstairs, you get a good sized rec room, some great storage space, and then that access from the garage. At this price point, a garage and driveway is not a given in Parkwood, and that's one of the reasons why we love this layout. For all these reasons and the price point, Parkwood is so hot lately. I'm going to go ahead and call this my hot deal of the week. I think this is going to get a ton of attention. I expect it to get multiple offers. We'll probably end up somewhere above the 900 mark. All right, lastly for today, I want to give you a heads up on what I think is a real winner coming on in Potomac. 7932 Lake and Heath Way in Inverness Forest is hitting the market tomorrow at $1,325,000. Most people don't know about this pocket of homes. There are about 15 to 20 late 80s contemporary style homes sort of tucked back in generally a 1970s neighborhood. This is a great Potomac location. You're really close to Kevin John Shopping Center. Easily get anywhere from that spot. The main level of this home is absolutely gorgeous. Immediately when you walk in, you're hit with this great 2-story foyer and living area, really letting you know this is a contemporary style home. You got an adjacent office in that space as well. The rear of the house, you get a large dining room, spacious kitchen, and an oversized family room, which is really large for Potomac in this location. I love this space, nice white brick fireplace. I like the little wet bar area and then all those windows looking over the yard. Upstairs, you've got a massive primary suite with dual walk-in closets and a huge bathroom, all nicely updated. You got 3 more bedrooms on this level. nicely sized as well, including a great hall bath with dual vanities, perfectly laid out. Ton of space on the lower level of this home as well. Rec room, another guest room with full bath, a theater room, and then a couple of large storage spaces. Many of the homes in this pocket do not have great yards. This one really does. It's not huge, but there's plenty of room back there for a swing set and for the kids to play. I just toured a home just down the street from this one this past summer. It was the same model. That home listed at $1,250,000. It was equally updated, although a little bit more trendy in its finishes. That one went crazy and got up into the 1.4s. I think that's going to happen with this one. I sort of balance out the flat yard space with the change in finishes. I think it's a real winner. For all these reasons, I'm going to have to call it my Potomac hot deal of the week and definitely suggest you check it out. I'd love to check it out with you. Give me a call. All right, that's going to do it for this week, guys. Thanks always for tuning in. Give us a follow at Jeweler Burton on Facebook or Instagram. If you know anybody who's getting in the market and think could use our help, please connect us. We'd really appreciate it. Have a great weekend, everybody. Later.